This Kittyhok Solar Cam just humiliated big security brands. Wi-Fi 6 plus no fees? Ever felt like your security system is just there for decoration? Like it shows up late, buffers when you need it most, and loves sending motion-detected alerts when it's just your neighbor's cat again? We get it. You're not alone.
Juggling sketchy tech, endless wiring, expensive cloud fees, and laggy apps can make home security feel like a second job. You bought peace of mind, but all you got was frustration and a drained battery and wallet. You deserve better than a camera that panics more than it protects. Now crank that frustration to an 11, because it's costing you more than sanity.
Missed break-in alerts? Creepy shadows you can't rewind? Useless night vision that turns intruders into faceless blobs? Every delay is a risk. Every blind spot is a liability.
While you're fumbling with settings, real threats aren't waiting. Add the stress of monthly fees, dropped signals, power outages, and sudden system failures. Now you're officially one stressful night away from turning into a tinfoil-hat-wearing security DIYer.
Sound familiar? You're not paranoid. You're under-equipped. Here's the mic drop moment.
The Kittyhok Black Solar Security System is your security redemption arc. We're talking fully wireless, 2K Ultra HD, solar-powered cameras with 360 degrees pan and tilt, spotlight plus Siren alerts, motion-activated human detection, and an NVR that stores 60 days of footage, no subscriptions, no nonsense. Dual-band 5G/2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 6 means no lag, no buffer, just buttery-smooth live views from your phone.
Rain? Snow? Heat wave? This beast's IP66 weatherproof build laughs in the face of bad weather. Setup? 3 minutes. Done. Imagine zero wiring stress. Just tap, install, and bam. Your smart fortress is live.
The Kittyhok system gives you real-time alerts, vivid night color vision, and custom zones to block those pesky tree branch alerts. Easily mount anywhere, remote fences, barns, shady corners, thanks to solar power and long-range dual antennas.
No more dead zones. No more cable chaos. Just smart, sleek, silent protection doing the heavy lifting while you sleep like a baby. Wanna feel in control again? Hit that video and see how Kittyhok redefines secure. Thousands have already upgraded, and we mean fast.
These kits fly off the shelves like hot gossip at a neighborhood watch meeting. If you're still dealing with dusty old cams or overpriced cloud plans, it's time.
No fees. No contracts. Just pro-grade protection you own. So why wait? Tap now to secure your setup and join the future of wireless home security. Supplies limited. Sleep isn't. Get Kittyhok and never second-guess your safety again.
Your home deserves a glow-up, and so do your nerves.
Let's go.